Hello everyone, welcome to Neil's World, and in today's video I will show you how I set up the lighting for my YouTube video. So without further delay, let me show you how I have set up exactly what are the lights that I use and how easy it is to set up the lighting for this kind of a YouTube environment without any extra lighting. I mean, I already only have one bulb in front. This is how normally my room is lit up. From this setup to the setup that I have shown in the beginning, what I have added as lights. To light up the main subject, that means to light up myself, I'll require one light which will throw light on me, and I'll keep that light at around 45 degrees at an angle. So this is the light that I use. This is a Godox SL60 light that I use as a key light, and I will light this up so you can see a certain change in the lighting. So you can see that my lighting is changed. If you see here, I have my original light that is lit up, and I'll just switch off that light. This is one kind of setup where I already have only one light, that is my key light, which is lighting me up. This is the Godox SL60W. And here you can see I can go ahead and the look has changed. Instead of that bulb, if I use a key light like this key light Godox SL60W, I use it along with a diffuser P90L and grid, which just directs the light towards me. SL60W, a diffuser and a grid. So that is my key light setup. Even if you don't wish to invest in a light like this, you can also use a ring light, but not directly in front, but to the left or to the right at an angle 45 degrees, around 45 degrees to you. That way you have an angled light coming to your face, and you can see some shadows on the other side. If you're okay with this look, you can go ahead and shoot everything with this look only. If you wish to feel the other side with the light, where I'll show you my other light. Okay, you can see this light, it's a small LED light. I'll just go ahead, switch this light on. You can see that my other side, this side is lit up. So if I switch off that light and switch on that light, there is a little bit of difference, and in doing so it also lit up the other side of the wall. To compensate that thing, I will use one backlight. If you see, there is an LED light at the back, so if I lit that light up, I'll just go ahead and switch that light on. It has got a color like this. You can see it is lit up. And I also have a small light, which is an RGB light, and I'll switch this on to light up my background a little bit. So you can now see the color changes to something else. Three main lights that I'm using. Two at the back, we would consider that to be a single light, or you can use a single light there. One is the key light, the main light, which lights up the subject. Next one is the fill light, which lights up the darker side of the subject, and you can use some background lights. So if you wish to record videos in a controlled environment, in a like a talking head kind of a video style, then you can set that kind of a lighting very easily if you wish, and can go a little bit more into lighting. You can have one more light somewhere at the back, which will directly throw light towards your hair area, towards your shoulder. So that way it will give you a line of light which will separate you from the background. That will give you a much better look as well. So this is how the lighting can be achieved for your YouTube videos, which I think you can set it up very easily. And I hope if you like this video, there are many videos like this. You can go ahead and search YouTube for many such videos. This is similar to those videos as well. I have shown you what I use for my videos, and you can get some idea to set up your lighting in your room or in your studio environment. Thank you very much for watching this video, and if you like this video, give a thumbs up or subscribe to my channel for more such videos in future. And also comment if you do not like this video. You can comment on how I can improve, and thank you very much. See you soon.